y'all? It's your girl Willow back here with another video. Today I decided to do my hair and tame this mess today because it's that time of the week. So I've already washed my hair for the week like 2 days ago, and I did the ponytail, but the ponytail is all raggedy and messed up now, so it's time to refresh my ponytail. So I will show you guys how I refresh my ponytails to make the curls pop, make everything look all nice, slick, and beautiful, like me. So before I get started, you guys, do not forget to subscribe and like, comment anything you want to see me do with my hair, anything new, any questions, put it down there below in the comment section. So I left my scarf in the car. That's exactly what I had, that crusty ass ponytail on my head. That's my problem, y'all. I do not tie my hair up at night. I do my hair, put on a scarf, and I keep it pushing. Then I leave it in the car. Now I'm walking around the damn apartment complex looking like buckwheat. Look at this. I need to get it together, y'all.